naiinip na babago.
Ikaw ba'y napapagod? Araw-gabi puro kayo.
Buhay mo ba'y walang saysay, walang sigla, walang kulay?
Bawat araw ba'y pareho, parang walang pagbabago?
Tara na, biyahe tayo, kasama ang pamilya, barkada at buong grupo, para mag-enjoy ng todo.
Halika, biyahe tayo, nang ating makita ang ganda ng Pilipinas, ang galing ng Pilipino.
Right into the heart of the capital, Manila, lies Luneta Park or Rizal Park, which marks the kilometer zone of the Philippines and northern to the Rojas Boulevard, overlooking Manila Bay. Built in the year 1970s, the park was the site of some of the turning points of Philippine history, such as the execution of the national hero Jose Rizal and the declaration of the Philippine independence from the USA. Bye-bye.
Ganyan talaga. Dahil nagtuturo ka eh.
We are here at the map of the Philippines at Rizal Park.
On February 17, 1872, three Filipino priests, Jose Gurbos, Mariano Gomez, and Jacinto Zamora, or collectively known as Gomburza, were martyred here after being executed and spearheading the 1872 Cavite Uprising. On July 4, 1946, the Republic of the Philippines. Access to Luneta is free of charge, but attractions inside is as an entrance fee of 10 pesos to 50 pesos. The museums charge more, ranging from 100 in National Museum and 350 in Manila Ocean Park. Near the monument is the Light and Sound Complex, which has Rizal's mural and a marker honoring the heroism of Gomburza. There is also the National Historical Institute, which contains many of the nation's historical artifacts, the Environmental Art Gallery of Artist Haven, and the National Library that contains ancient documents and books written. There is also horse-drawn vehicles or kalesa are available for rent to tour the park. The standard rate is 50 pesos per person for a 5-minute ride one way.
The park is a public space, hence it is always open. The best time to go here, however, is early morning before the tropical heat sinks. or late afternoon, in time for the viewing of Manila Bay sunset or exploring the tropical or park dinings and entertainment. The park is jam-packed with flocking couples, families, and friends every weekend. Most activities in the park, however, happens here at weekends.
Dapat yung mga couples eh.
Kunin mo to, Chinese star.
Umikot eh.
This is the vicinity map of Rizal Park, and we are here. Nandito tayo sa Philippine flag. Dito nag-start yung 0-kilometer zone. So, from here, mini-measure nila kung gaano kalayo na tayo sa isang place. And now, nandito na tayo sa Monument Rizal. Dinesign siya ni Richard Kisling. And ito yung pinaka-famous na monument dito sa Philippines.
All foreign dignitaries are required to visit the monument to pay respect to the remains of Rizal buried in the Monuments Museum. The bronze statue, made in Switzerland and remodeled by national artist Juan Nakpil, is famously protected by the Caballeros of Rizal, Knights of Rizal, who do not move all day or all night long. Across the monument is a flagpole bearing the country's flag as well as the zero marker, which serve as the kilometer zero or point of origin of all other cities in the country.
Ikaw ba'y nalulungkot? Naiinip na ba ako?
Ikaw ba'y napapagod? Araw-gabi puro kayo.
Buhay mo ba'y walang saysay? Walang sigla, walang kulay?
Bawat araw ba'y pareho, parang walang pagbabago.
Tara na, biyahe tayo, kasama ang pamilya, barkada at buong grupo, para mag-enjoy ng todo.
Halika, biyahe tayo, nang ating makita ang ganda ng Pilipinas, ang galing ng Pilipino. Napasal ka na ba sa Intramuros at Luneta?
Palawan, Bigan at Batanes, Subic, Baguio at Rice Terraces. Namasdan mo na ba ang mga bintarang Zamboanga, Bulkang Mayon, Beach ng Boracay at La Union?
Here we are at Rampia at Luneta Park. 20 pesos per passenger ang sakay dito. I-round trip niya tayo simula dito hanggang sa hanggang sa unahan sa may Rizal Park. Pabalik ulit dito hanggang sa Monument Rizal.
Luneta Park is located between Intramuros, Ross Boulevard, T.M. Callao Avenue, and Taft Avenue. Taxis, flag down rate 40 pesos from anywhere in the Manila are the nearest means to get here. During rush hour, the easiest way is to get here through LRT Line 1. The park is just at walking distance from the train's UN station.